You can become an unstoppable person if you are ready to follow these steps. No matter what is going on in your life, no matter what people say about you or what kind of situation you are in right now, you will become unstoppable after watching this video. Make sure that you stick around until the end because every step is important. Number 1, know what you want. Many people do not know what they want from life, and they just go with the flow. If you want to become an unstoppable person, you need to define your goal, know exactly what you want, and write it down on a piece of paper. After that, make a plan to achieve your goal and work on it every day. The first step to becoming unstoppable is knowing what you want. You need to have a clear vision of where you want to be in life so that you can start taking steps towards achieving that goal. Without a clear goal in mind, you're just wandering around and going through the motions. You're not actually working towards anything specific, which makes it much harder to stay motivated and keep moving forward. So take some time for yourself to really think about what you want out of life. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? 10 years? What kind of impact do you want to make on the world? Once you have a clear vision of your goals, you can start setting short-term goals that will help you achieve those bigger goals. Breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable chunks will make them seem less daunting and more achievable. And when you start seeing progress, no matter how small, it will keep you motivated and on track. Remember, the first step to becoming unstoppable is knowing what you want. Number 2, believe in yourself. You cannot be an unstoppable person if you don't believe in yourself. You need to have confidence in your abilities and know that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. This doesn't mean that you won't ever face any obstacles or setbacks. It just means that you won't let those things stop you from achieving your goals. Setbacks are just temporary. They're not the end of the world. Don't let them get you down. Every successful person has faced setbacks. It's just part of the journey. What sets unstoppable people apart is their ability to bounce back from setbacks quickly and keep moving forward. Here are a few ways to cultivate the belief in yourself. Start by setting realistic expectations for yourself. Don't expect to be perfect all the time or to succeed at everything you do. It's okay to make mistakes. In fact, it's necessary if you want to learn and grow. The second way is focus on your strengths. Everyone has unique strengths and weaknesses. Instead of dwelling on your weaknesses, focus on your strengths and use them to your advantage. When you start to see yourself as capable and competent, you'll start to believe in yourself more. Another way is surround yourself with positive people who believe in you. Your mindset is heavily influenced by the people you spend the most time with. If you want to believe in yourself, then spend time with people who believe in you. Number 3, take risks. To become unstoppable, you must be willing to take risks. You can't play it safe and expect to achieve extraordinary results. Successful people are not afraid to take risks. They understand that risk is an inherent part of the journey. Here are 3 reasons why you should start taking more risks in your life. First, risks often lead to the greatest rewards. If you're not willing to take risks, you're limiting your potential. The biggest rewards in life are usually on the other side of a big risk. For example, if you want to start a business but are too afraid to quit your job and take the financial risk, then you will never start that business. Second, taking risks helps you grow and learn. When you step outside of your comfort zone, you gain new experiences and knowledge that can help you grow personally and professionally. For example, if you've always wanted to speak another language but are afraid of making mistakes, then you will never be able to speak that language. Finally, taking risks can lead to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes the best opportunities come to us when we least expect them. If you're open to new experiences and willing to take risks, you may find yourself in a position to succeed beyond your wildest dreams. Number 4, learn from your failure. Failure is an essential part of the journey towards success. Every successful person has experienced failure many times before they achieve their goals. Instead of letting failure hold you back, you can learn from it and use it to fuel your future success. There are 3 main benefits to learning from your failures. First, it allows you to adjust your approach and try again. When you fail, take some time to reflect on what went wrong and what you could do differently next time. This will help you avoid making the same mistake twice and increase your chances of success. Second, learning from your failures can help you build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and keep moving forward. When you learn how to pick yourself up and dust yourself off after a setback, you'll be able to keep going even when things get tough. Finally, learning from your failures can help you grow and develop as a person. Failure is a great opportunity for self-reflection and growth. When you look back on your failures, you can see how they've shaped you into the person you are today. Embrace your failures and learn from them. Use this knowledge to improve yourself and achieve your goals. Number 5. Develop a strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is the foundation of success. It's what separates those who achieve their goals from those who don't. If you want to become an unstoppable person, you must develop a strong work ethic. Here are 3 tips to help you do that. First, start by setting goals for yourself and then break down those goals into smaller tasks that you can complete each day. When you have a clear plan of action, it's easier to stay focused and motivated and get things done. Second, be disciplined with your time and effort. Don't procrastinate or give up when things get tough. Discipline is essential for developing a strong work ethic. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. We all need help from time to time. Don't be afraid to reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support. Developing a strong work ethic takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. When you have a solid work ethic, you'll be able to achieve your goals and live the life you want. Number 6. Keep learning. To be an unstoppable person, you must keep learning. Learning helps you grow, develop new skills, and become more knowledgeable. It also helps you stay relevant in a constantly changing world. There are 3 main benefits to keeping learning. First, it helps you stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. The world is changing faster than ever before. If you want to keep up with the times, you must be willing to learn new things. Whether it's learning about new technology, staying up to date on industry trends, or brushing up on your language skills, there is always something new to learn. Second, learning helps you stay sharp mentally. As we age, our minds can start to decline. But if you keep learning new things, you can help keep your mind sharp and improve cognitive function. Studies show that people who engage in lifelong learning have better cognitive function and are less likely to experience cognitive decline as they age. Finally, learning helps you become more adaptable. Life is full of changes and challenges, and the only way to really prepare yourself for whatever life throws at you is to keep learning. When you learn new things, you equip yourself with the knowledge and skills to adapt to new situations. These are the steps you need to take if you want to become an unstoppable person. By following these steps, you will be able to achieve your goals and live the life you want. Don't wait any longer. Start taking action towards becoming the unstoppable person you were meant to be. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.